Hi everyone and welcome, and today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify custom shipping labels. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. It is easier than you think. So from your admin panel of your Shopify, you need to head over to your settings. Once you are there, you will be able to realize that here we have shipping and delivery. So here under customer accounts, we need to head over to that. Now you can see we have various options, like for example shipping, expected delivery dates, we have our pickup in store, and we can also add delivery customization. So let's just say we want to add labels, we can incorporate them in here. So you can add your packaging. You can see we have package name, length, we have carrier package, and using all of these features you will be able to modify your labels as well. So yeah, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.